ratio of sides in right-angled triangles. So here we're going to investigate some right-angled triangles. We're going to draw some up of different sizes. We're going to let all the angles be the same, so 30 and 60, 30 and 60, 30 and 60. Now, you could draw these up yourself, but if you did, if you make this side 1 centimeter and this one 2 centimeters, this one would be about 1.73 centimeters. If you made this one 4 centimeters and this one 2 centimeters, it would make this side 3.46 centimeters, this one 12 centimeters, and this one 6 centimeters. This one would be 10.39 centimeters. There'd be no other way to draw these. They would be the actual measurements you'd actually get. Now, we're going to divide some of the sides with each other, and that's going to give us a ratio of the sides, because we're comparing two things of the same unit. So first we're going to take this side and divide it by this side for all of them. So we're taking that side and that side, so we get 1/2, which is 0.5. Let's do the same with the other one. So we get 2/4, which is also 0.5. And we'll take 6/12 and get 0.5. Now we're going to do this side divided by this side. So the base divided by the hypotenuse. So we're going to get 1.73 divided by 2, and as a decimal, that's going to give us roughly 0.865. So we're going to take the base, 3.46, divide it by 4, and that's going to give us 0.865. Take the base in the other one, 10.39, divide it by the hypotenuse, which is going to give us 0.866. Now we're going to take this side, the height, and divide it by the base. So we get 1/1.73, and that's going to be roughly 0.578. So we're taking the height, dividing it by the base, which gives us roughly 0.578. Taking the height, dividing it by the base, which gives us roughly 0.579. Alright, well this is pretty interesting, because every time we pick the same sides, we pretty much got the same number. And this is the case in every right-angled triangle with fixed angles. So what we can gather from this is if we know our angles in the triangle, we're actually going to know what the ratio of the sides will be when we divide them. And specifically, when we take the height and divide it by the hypotenuse in this triangle with a 30-degree angle and a 60-degree angle, it's always going to be a half. So in any right-angled triangle, doesn't matter its size, if it was 30 degrees and 60 degrees, if you take this side and divide them, you'll always get 0.5. Our next video we're going to look more into this and even give some names for these ratios.